Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a unboxing of the Beyblade UX Random Booster Shadow Shinobi complete set. So yeah, let's go, shall we? Really excited to get this. Okay. Okay. So here's the prize bay, Shadow Shinobi. Gorgeous color. 180. And I'm blank on the tip. It's metal needle. Has to have another one. Cause I got this one, these after, I ordered these on the 24th of last month. But it finally came in a day early too, so it's a lot easier for me. So it's good. Right? So this should be the gold one. So yeah, here's the gold. I'm really excited to have these. And add more. There's 360. I think. That's 360. And not sure what the tip is. Oh. Gear needle. Okay. I mean, a gear point. Now this is the black one right here. Okay. Okay. I need a very clean black one. Again, I can't remember what parts came with them, so it's interesting for me. Well, another 960. Good. Nice to have more 960s. because how good it is. And oh, low flat. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.